for the sailing trip and Tom brought me breakfast, which is the most delicious acai bowl. Oh yeah, so good. And he was able to get peanut butter this time. We kind of couldn't make that happen before, but he found someone who spoke English and she did it, so it's extra delicious. We are all ready to go on the sailboat tour. I'm so excited. We're cutting it a little close because the bus is leaving from Tiger in about 5 minutes and it's just around the corner. I'll be able to see it in a second. I think there are about 24 of us going, so it should be a good nice size, and it's on a beautiful catamaran. I'm just so excited to get on the water, go snorkeling, all that stuff. It should be great. So you'll be coming along the whole way. I know, it's like great. We are walking to the boat. Woo. Which island we're going to, because there's loads of them out there. It's the most beautiful day. Have a bit of shade on the boat. We're just so happy. So we think this is the island we're going to, and still can't quite believe that we are here. We live here now. It's pretty good. So great. Experiences ever. The dolphins were just swimming right under our feet, as you can see. That was so amazing.
Yeah, it was incredible. It was a magical moment.
Side note, that was not the island that we're going to, but there are about 200 other ones out here. Getting the GoPro ready to take out into the water for the first time. Tom is convinced I'm going to break it again. So, fingers crossed, it'll be nice and safe. Alright, we are at the beach where we're docking and going to snorkel and fish. So exciting.
Orange or black?
Oh, black. sunset and heading back to Phuket. This is amazing.